Hello people, we're not selling this one, this is a little one off the fairground we just got, but this one here is the iconic 1970s moped, the FS1E. It came out about 72, 73, they were about 200 quid when they were new, and now the pedal examples go for like 10, 12 grand, ridiculous. But anyway, this one is an affordable one. It's a slightly later model, it's a 1980, but as you can see, all brand new wheels, tyres, rebuilt engine, paintwork's been done. It's covered 5,300 miles. It runs like a little top. We've just redone the mud guards, so that's like brand new. As you can see, all the rims are good. This is the DX model, so therefore it's got the front display. It hasn't got the pedals, but on the plus side, it's 3,995. Not 10 grand, 3,995. We can do delivery. We can do Part X, we can do finance sometimes, but it's a proper little moped, it goes well, and it's priced at just 4 grand, get it bought.